The Mileseey TR120 infrared thermal imager is a versatile, high-quality thermal camera designed for precise leak detection, electronics repair, HVAC maintenance, and a range of other industrial applications. Compact and portable, this device offers an efficient way to detect temperature variations and visualize potential issues that aren't visible to the naked eye, making it ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike. The TR120 offers a high-definition infrared thermal imaging sensor, capturing sharp and detailed thermal images. It allows users to identify temperature variances with precision, making it easier to locate leaks, faulty circuits, and overheated components. The thermal resolution enhances diagnostic accuracy, giving users a clear and reliable picture of the area under inspection. This thermal imager has a wide temperature detection range that enables accurate readings in both high and low temperature conditions. Whether you're troubleshooting electronics or inspecting insulation, the Mileseey TR120's range provides flexibility and precision for various applications. Designed for ease of use, the TR120 is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for handheld operation. The device's intuitive user interface and ergonomic design allow users to comfortably hold and operate it for extended periods, which is essential during detailed inspections or repairs. Equipped with a rechargeable battery, the Mileseey TR120 is built to last through demanding tasks without frequent recharging. This makes it convenient for professionals who need a reliable thermal camera for day-to-day tasks in the field.